All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about Marqeta. This is a stock I own about 80 shares of, and I've also sold some puts on in the past. I actually have one sold right now. It's still sitting. We'll take a look at how that's probably affected. Spoiler alert, not very good. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. You never know what we're going to talk about next. My goal is to get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, so we're going to see if that's possible. And this is just for entertainment. This is why you don't follow my trades whatsoever, because of volatility like we're going to see right now. And if you don't know what Marqeta is, really briefly, it's a card issuing system. It's all digital. It's mostly just APIs. Well, in fact, I think it's all API. And they have customers such as Uber, Square, Instacart, JP Morgan, and DoorDash. So some pretty big names. Marqeta now, after hours, is down 19.42%. If you can see right here, my average cost is $8.78, so we're getting further and further away from that. And I own 83 shares right now. I also sold a put in the past on Marqeta, a $6 put. I don't remember how much premium I got now. I think I rolled it back as well. But as long as this keeps diving, this put is going to be more and more valuable. So not good for me selling this. But anyway, on Morningstar, they say Marqeta shares dive as first quarter forecasts come up shy of expectations. The company said it expected first quarter of this year sales growth of 26 to 28% compared to the expectation of 29%. And therefore, the stocks went down 18.5% or more after hours. Now, if you want to go look up Marqeta's earnings, you can just Google Marqeta Investor. It'll take you to the investor relations page, and then you can find this PDF right here. One thing to note, total processing volume through their APIs was $47 billion. So $47 billion was processed through their technology. That personally seems like a lot to me, but I'm sure if you compare it to something like MasterCard or Visa, it's small potatoes. Their net revenue last quarter was $203 million compared to 2021 when it was $155 million. And for the whole year, $748 million versus the year prior, $517. So for the year, a jump of 45%. Here's something else to take note. Their net loss margin is only 13% a negative. I say only compared to the negative 24% the year prior. Or otherwise stated, 5 cents per share loss versus 7 cents per share loss the year prior. And something else to look at, their total current assets are $1.7 billion versus their total current liabilities of $282 million. So they're pretty asset heavy in this regard. Something you don't like to see, or at least I don't like to see, the number of shares issued at the end of the year was way increased from the year prior. But on a quarter-to-quarter basis, it looks like only 4 million shares have been issued. And that's all I really wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to make any recommendations. I'm not going to make any price predictions because my price predictions are always wrong. I don't like giving those. It's not meant for YouTube. And anyway, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in a future video. And as always, take care.